For today's video, I have pork pata. Pakuluin natin ng black and pepper, tsaka 2 sachet ng coffee. There you go. Napakuluan natin yung pata. And then, let's throw the water. Then, wash it. Yung pata properly. There you go. I wash my meat properly. Remove the dirt. Alisin natin yung too hot. Malambot. Okay, bawang sibuyas. Let's put onion. Some onion. Then garlic. Then lagyan na natin yung pata. Oh, it's too hot. Oh shoot. Okay, wait. Ayan, nalagay na natin yung pata. Then just wait 1 minute. Hold on. Lagyan natin ng konting soy sauce. 1 cup of pineapple juice over here. Tapos a little bit water. And then isang kutsarang sugar para lalong masarap. Tapos let's put milk cube. Okay, pineapple chunk. Lagyan na natin. Sarap nito. Oh my God. Yan dahil nga na yung isang kalderong kanin. Masisira yung diet. Like I'm going to put sesame oil. Kahit konti lang. Tingnan natin kung masarap yung sesame oil. Optional lang po yun. Thanks for watching guys. God bless. Kainan na. This is